Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue the reset. So first thing we need to do is to turn off the watch, and to turn it off, press and hold the crown button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Once you see the power menu, tap on the power off option and wait until the watch turns off. And after the watch turns off, press and hold the crown button and the upper button together, keep holding them until you see the DIESEL On logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them. Once you see the logo, you can release the buttons and wait. After a second or two, you should see the no command on the screen. Once you see it, press and hold the crown button and then swipe up on the screen, like this. And you should enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu or scroll through the menu, you need to swipe up and down on the screen, like this. And to select or confirm the selections, you can swipe left or right on the screen or press the crown button. Now let's scroll down through the menu. Find the option called Wipe Data / Factory Reset and select it. And once you select it, you can swipe left or right on the screen or press the crown button to confirm. Then select yes. And do the same, swipe left or right or press the crown button. And now let's wait until the wiping process is complete. And once it's done, make sure that the reboot system option is selected, and then again swipe right or left on the screen or press the crown button. And now let's wait. And once you see the tap to begin message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.